Hey guys, welcome to another video by That Church Tech Guy. This is Trevor, and today I'm going to show you how I built a set design for under $250 for our Easter services. So what you're seeing here, this is what we built. This cost is not including 4 lights that are used to light these set pieces. So you can do this whole thing with just 4 lights. First off, this is a design I found on Church Stage Design Ideas. So this actually was coming from Nick Hill from Experience Church in Defiance, Ohio. And I will put a link to that original Portable Lines blog post so you can see that for yourself, because they kind of laid out how they built it, that he explained everything, had really good pictures that you can go through. And I just made it something simple for our small stage, brought it down to just 4 instead of 6, and just used vertical lines. So you'll see here that I had my original design plans. We decided to just stick with option 1 because just with 4 of them, we thought it'd just be kind of too crazy if I started doing diagonal lines or vertical and horizontal. So we just stuck with all horizontal. Ended up working great. So for the frames, how do we build them? It's really just lightweight aluminum. And I'll actually show you. I bought this from Home Depot. It's Everbuilt, 3/4 of an inch by 1/20th of an inch, and then the original length was 96 inches. This is something I would change though. I would recommend going for a little thicker than 1/20th of an inch, because I would not buy this same angle aluminum for this project, because this ended up being pretty weak and flimsy. You could add more support to this, but then you're adding some bulk to it so they won't stack as well and they wouldn't be as portable. So what I would really do is I would redesign a kick-out kickstand that would go somewhere here in the middle and would kick out to the back of that set piece. Maybe have chains connected on the bottom. This is something that a past tech director friend of mine did. We had just chains connected to a little U bracket that we made that would just go kick out at the bottom of this base. As far as aluminum goes, this aluminum was just too flimsy. Even if I were to do one of those kickstand things, I would probably get one size thicker above this, like anything a little bit thicker that would be more sturdy, or maybe trying a different material in general. That was one of the biggest regrets of this build. The aluminum was pretty cheap and affordable, but it was also very flimsy and wasn't good for this 6-foot tall frame that I built. It would sway all over the place. The next thing I had to purchase was just a big sheet. I think this is just a 4x6. Chloroplast is like an affordable but really useful tool for designing, because you can cut it into strips and it reflects light really well. Something I changed from the original design just due to time that I had and skills that I had. I cannot sew, and I didn't know anyone at the last minute that could sew together some stuff for me. So Nick Hill from Experience Church, in the original design, he actually sewed some slip covers over top of these frames so that they were nice and tight. I decided to just try this out, and this was another kind of failure to my design. I decided to do Velcro, and I bought specific Velcro that can stick to fabric. So I had Velcro strips on the back side of the frame everywhere, and then just kind of Velcroed all of this fabric onto the back and kind of wrapped it around, pulled it nice and tight, and Velcroed it up. And it stayed really well. It stayed pretty well, but this is not portable proof. Maybe if this was sitting in one spot and it wasn't getting moved and it wasn't getting loaded in a trailer each week, this could probably work for if you had a permanent campus, but it did not work for me. But the finished product of the Velcro it looked really clean. It was nice and tight, and it was very easy to then, on top of that fabric, just Velcro on the chloroplast. So that's the final thing. You just Velcro some strips to the back of that chloroplast and some little Velcro strips on the fabric, and then you're cooking. It's not too much work, especially if you have a nice workspace. So the final product is this 4 little piece set design. You could build more of these, and like the original design, you could even build some 4-foot ones to put in between if you have a larger stage. Our stage was small enough. Those are the color strip minis that we rented, and we had to prop them up on all kinds of different stuff because they did not come with any sort of mounts, and they're just kind of cheapo lights. So to get them pointed right, we had to kind of rig them up. I know we were like using DI boxes and stuff, but you do what you got to do when you're in a portable church and you're renting stuff and you got to make it happen. So that's the final product, and I hope this was helpful to you. A very affordable and portable stage design. If you would please like the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't like anything in the video, and please comment questions. I will be responsive in the comment section, so if you have any questions, put them there. Or if you have any ideas for future videos, send me those in the comments. And please hit that subscribe button. My goal is 1,000 subscribers in the year of 2019. So we're halfway through 2019 and we're almost at 400. So we're cruising. Thank you guys so much for following this channel and for subscribing and for sticking around. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.